running.
Hey, in a couple of months, no one will ever be able to make us run laps again.
Isn't there a physical ed requirement in college?
Wait, for real? Whatever. I'm excited to get out of here.
You're not nervous about moving to another state? Away from everyone you know?
I'm excited for the change. It'll be a fresh start. No one knows me in Chicago.
That's true. No one will remember that time in the 5th grade when you're copied in your book bag and you couldn't tell anything, so you brought it to school and took up the entire classroom.
Exactly. Now my sinuses are fixed, and I won't have a cat in Chicago.
What are you working on?
My final piece for my senior portfolio. It's student night in.
Hey, what are you guys doing? You're not supposed to be back there!
What do you think? Should we do what we did last year? Skip the prom and have a movie marathon?
I don't know. It's our senior year.
What are you grinning about?
Nothing.
You're a terrible liar.
Fine. Alex wants me to meet tonight for the soccer match.
You haven't gone to a school event in 4 years. Now you want to go to a soccer match on the prom?
Alex is into those things, and I feel like we have a good thing going on.
Alex is so boring. You can do so much better.
We're all about to go off to college and never see each other again. Alex just dumped Parker. Last chance to make a memory, you know?
Yes, Sam?
Can I go to the restroom?
I don't know. Can you?
May I?
All right, go ahead then. So basically, diction is the different words that you decide to use in a phrase, and syntax is the order of words. So which of you guys can give me an example of syntax?
Want to get some food before you have to meet Alex? Sam.
Where is it?
What?
My sketchbook. It's not here. It has like half my final portfolio project in it.
Oh man, let's do it tomorrow, right?
This can't be happening.
Calm down. It's okay, you had it earlier. We can find it. Come on.
The bleachers.
What?
I was sketching under the bleachers earlier. I must have left it there after Coach Langley caught us. Come on. Oh no, the match. Alex, I completely forgot. 4 missed calls. I blew it.
You don't know that. Go find Alex and I'll see if I can find your sketchbook under the bleachers.
Thanks, Casey. You're the best.
So stupid.
What are you doing? You had it the whole time?
I'm sorry. I didn't.
You had it this whole time and didn't say anything. I almost had a heart attack.
I'm sorry. I didn't.
Why did you take it?
It was so stupid. I'm sorry. It's just, I knew that you'd freak out trying to find it, and I thought that if you were late to meet Alex.
You sabotaged my date?
I'm sorry.
Well, it worked. I just saw Alex talking to Parker. It looks like they're getting back together.
I'm sorry. I didn't.
Are you? You always get weird and jealous anytime I hang out with someone other than you. I am allowed to have other friends, Casey.
It's not. I don't care if you have other friends.
Then why are you acting so weird?
I don't want you to go to Chicago. I'll miss you.
What?
That was stupid. I know. It's your dream school. You have to go. It's just.
You said it earlier. Now is the last chance we have to make memories before everything changes.
What are you saying?
Will you go to prom with me?